In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on YouTube dark mode. By the end, your YouTube will switch to a sleek, low-glare look that's easier on your eyes and great for late-night viewing. Start by opening YouTube in your browser or app. At the top right, you'll see your profile picture. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, find the option labeled Appearance. This is where YouTube keeps the theme controls that change how the interface looks. Once you're in the Appearance section, choose Dark Theme. As soon as you select it, YouTube will immediately switch over to dark mode. There's no extra save button or confirmation required. You'll notice the background, menus, and side panels shift to deep gray and charcoal tones, while text and icons become brighter for contrast. The video player looks the same, but everything around it becomes more comfortable to look at, especially in dim rooms. Dark mode isn't just a style choice. The darker palette reduces the amount of bright white light hitting your eyes, which can help reduce eye strain during long sessions. It also minimizes glare and can make thumbnails and colors pop without the harshness of a bright background. If you often watch videos at night or in low-light environments, this setting creates a more relaxed experience and can make it easier to focus on the content itself. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to refresh or navigate to a different YouTube page to see the new theme take effect. On some devices or work setups, theme controls may be limited by system policies, but in most cases, the appearance option is available directly from that profile menu. Keep in mind that theme preferences are set per app or browser. If you use YouTube on multiple devices, like a phone, tablet, and computer, you'll want to repeat this quick change on each one to keep your experience consistent. Dark mode affects YouTube's interface only. It won't alter video brightness, so you can still adjust your screen's brightness or the player's theater mode to fine-tune your comfort. That's it. Click your profile picture, open Appearance, select Dark Theme, and enjoy a cleaner, calmer YouTube experience. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to share it with someone who spends a lot of time on YouTube and could use a little less glare in their day.